We have live visuals coming in. The Prime Minister has now arrived, and we can see him over there. Those are live visuals on your screens from Somnath. He will of course is participating in the Shaurya Yatra, and those are the visuals of the Prime Minister at Somnath. So those are the visuals coming in from Somnath, of course, and that is the Shaurya Yatra that the Prime Minister will be participating in. We'd earlier learned that more than 100 horses are part of this yatra that it has been organized in honor of the Prime Minister and in order as preparation for his undertaking of various programs at Somnath today as well. And you can see the massive crowds that have gathered, not just those participating in the program, but people who have gathered to witness this occasion, to witness the Prime Minister honoring age-old traditions. And you can see the Prime Minister on your screens right now waving that damru as well. He is participating in the Shaurya Yatra on the
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने डमरू हाथ से लेकर के अब लोगों की तरफ वेव देना शुरू किए। जी हाँ, प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का चेहरा उत्साह से सराबोर है और दोनों तरफ सड़क के दोनों तरफ उनके चाहने वाले जय जय श्री राम हर हर महादेव के नारे लगाते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं। जी हाँ, प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के नेतृत्व में ये शौर्य यात्रा, अद्भुत शौर्य यात्रा का नजारा सोमनाथ में इस समय जबरदस्त माहौल और पूरे देश से यहाँ पर जनता उमड़ी हुई है, भक्तजन उमड़े हुए हैं। इसी दिन का इंतजार था जब ये शौर्य यात्रा प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के नेतृत्व में निकाली जाएगी। तो इस शौर्य यात्रा का समापन होना है। अब ये सोमनाथ यात्रा सोमनाथ के मंदिर पर ही पहुंच करके ये शौर्य यात्रा खत्म होगी। कैमरामैन दिनेश ठाकुर के साथ संजय शर्मा।
So those of course were live visuals on your screens. We saw the Prime Minister participating in the Shaurya Yatra, and he will be addressing the public very shortly after this as well. So as you can see, massive crowds over there participating in the Shaurya Yatra. You can see the Prime Minister on your screens as well, and this of course marks the beginning of today's engagements for the Prime Minister as part of the Somnath Swabhiman Parv. You can see him waving at the crowds over there. He is holding a roadshow and he will address a public gathering shortly after this as well, is what we're learning. But this currently is the Shaurya Yatra, as part of which over at least 108 horses is what we've learned have been brought, and they are participating in this yatra for the Prime Minister. And this begins today's celebration of the Somnath Swabhiman Parv. You can see the crowds over there, a lot of enthusiasm as the Prime Minister has now arrived at the Somnath temple. You can see the enthusiasm amongst the people, the Prime Minister waving to the crowds as well. This is the Shaur Yatra that we're seeing unfold right now. You can see people have gathered, they're not just lining the roads, but people have climbed the roofs from nearby houses, lining the roads, all just to catch a glimpse of this grand event that is currently taking place in Somnath. Those are live visuals on your screens, and we're seeing the Prime Minister wave that Damru as well. So you can see people putting up those dance performances as well, traditional dances. We saw those preparations earlier as well, with many traditional and regional dances being prepared for the Prime Minister's arrival. And you can see those performances underway right now. We saw those preparations earlier, with people from all across the country showcasing all of these regional dances and song that we saw unfolding right now. And you can see the Prime Minister continuing on his journey. He will be offering prayers at the temple after this. Once the yatra commences and he reaches inside the temple premises, he will be offering darshan and prayer at the Somnath temple. So we will see that happening very shortly as well. But right now you can see the massive crowds that have gathered to welcome the Prime Minister on this big occasion. Remember, 1000 years since the invasion by Mahmud Ghazni is what this event marks today.
डमरू आपको नजर आ रहा है, लोगों की भारी भीड़, श्रद्धालुओं की भारी भीड़.
So you can see those that celebration unfolding right now on your screens, and of course the Damru that the Prime Minister was also waving very just shortly before this, a very important symbol of Lord Shiv. That's where the Damru comes in. You can see the devotees walking in front of the Prime Minister, waving those right now, and the Prime Minister also honored that. He was also seen waving a Damru, and this is the Shaurya Yatra that is currently taking place as the Prime Minister of course entered the complex, and now he will be entering the temple very shortly, where he will offer prayers as well. So you can see those massive crowds, those devotees leading the procession.